Alright. Serious? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why? That's just, I'm going over the answers with you right now. I don't understand why it's so hard to get your attention for 10 minutes. Alright. So number 2. Let's go over it together. Number 2. Which of the planet's orbits is the most eccentric? India. Pluto. Why is Pluto the most eccentric? Alright, so Pluto is the most. No, she told me why, but nobody heard her because you were all talking. No, he already said the answer.
Just wait.
The next one is.
Alright, so that's number 2. So number 3. Which of the planet's orbits is the least eccentric, closest to her circle? Darius. Venus, right? Venus. And why is Venus the lowest, Darius? Why is it the least eccentric? It's the lowest eccentricity.
Stop. Oh my God. I want to.
Judy, I hope you know you're getting through on your email today. Alright, number 4. Which 2 planets have the most similar eccentricity? Tanaj. Jupiter and Uranus. Yes, they have the most similar. Uranus has an eccentricity of 0.047. Jupiter has an eccentricity of 0.048. I hope you guys are happy. I just needed you to work with me for 10 minutes. And you can't even do that. Now all this footage I took from my class, I can't use. You guys cannot behave. You are going to have a very, very hard time on the quiz on Tuesday. And I'm not going to feel bad for any of you. Because you refuse to pay attention even when I go over the answers with you. I've got 3 people over here answering every question while you are joking around. Luke, come up here right now. Get up here, Luke. What are you waiting for?
Tying my shoe.
No. Stand up. Come over here. This is your permanent seat. This is where you sit. Alright. Number 5. Which planet has the eccentricity most similar to Earth's eccentricity? Ashton. Neptune. What is the eccentricity of Neptune? 0.008.
No, I want to do the next one. I haven't even answered yet.
Sit down. Now, 0.008, is that more circular or do you think that's more elliptical? It's more circular, it's closer to 0, alright? So, the average eccentricity of the moon's orbit around the Earth is 0.054. We'll round that off. Now, it's kind of weird, yeah. 0.054. Would you say the eccentricity of the moon's orbit is low, medium, or high in comparison to the other planets?
No.
India. It's around the same, right? Because we got 0.054 and all the other planets, we got 0.056, 0.048. So they're pretty similar to the other ones. Alright, now number 7 is the trickiest. Yeah, so it's about medium. Judy? 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 Do me a favor and sit over there. Alright, number 7. How could the eccentricity of a planet's orbit affect the amount of solar radiation it receives from the sun? Another word for solar radiation is heat. Yeah, Ashley.
I was gonna say if you have to lower eccentricity, then that means that the ellipse is gonna be more close to the sun.
Alright, let's look at it this way. So let's draw two ellipses. I'll put it back over in a second. Right? So let's say I have 2 orbits. One that is perfectly circular, and one that's more of an ellipse. Right? Now, in this first orbit, the planet is the same distance from the sun at any time, right? So, does the amount of heat it gets from the sun ever change? No, it's the same distance from the sun. It gets the same heat all year long. Now, let's look at an elliptical orbit. If my planet is moving around this orbit, will it get different amount of solar heat all year long?
No.
No.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, why?
Because it's like right there.
Because during the year, it's at different distances away from the sun. So if you have a more circular orbit, your solar heat is going to stay constant all year because you're the same distance from the sun all year. If you have an elliptical orbit, the amount of solar heat you're going to get is going to change all year because you get closer and farther from the sun. Alright? So what you need to do, make sure you got all this down. When you're done writing, pass it to your left so it comes
What
down
did the
this
bottom
way.
one say?
And then answer your I can't
Abby.
statement. Riley?
What does 6 say?